Okay, so if you've got this error message when you're trying to record or stream with OBS Studio, I'll show you how you can fix it here real quick. So what it's most likely down to is your drivers not being up to date. So what you want to do is open up Google, and then once you're on Google here, just go ahead and do a search for NVIDIA. And then head over to this website here, NVIDIA's website, and you want to go to the NVIDIA driver downloads. Now what we can do, we can go ahead and download the right driver. So if you go to your start menu and just type in device manager, this window will then open up, and you then want to go ahead and find display adapters. So click on display adapters, and then here it should say the NVIDIA graphics card that you have. So I've got NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050i Ti. So product type GeForce 10 series. You can see the product here for me is going to be the 1050 Ti. And you want to download the studio driver, which is going to be for OBS. Once you've then got this to match your graphics card, click on search, and that will then find that driver, and then you can just go ahead and download that driver. So then click on download here, and it will then download the driver. There you go, and all you need to do is run this exe file, update the driver, and then OBS will be working.